Welcome back to my channel Sunbird Tarot, where insights take flight. And today we are going to look into the reading of my dear Sagittarius for the month of June, as to what can be the predictions that can they expect in the month of June. It is in fire element, and you can look into this reading by your moon sign, your sun sign, or your zodiac sign. Sorry, or your rising sign as per your astrological chart. So, what is the guidance that can my Sagittarius expect in the month of June? Thank you. What is the guidance for my dear Scorpio, for my dear Sagittarius in the month of June? Oh, here and now. I was just preparing this pile before as I was preparing this reading. I saw this card and it has something to do with you. Okay, my dear Sagittarians, I'm seeing that there is something that you are stuck between the past and the future, or maybe you are in the present but still confused about the past, or maybe the probable future. What does it say here? Okay, we will look into this. We have the another card, egoism. Okay, number 5 card. Okay, interesting. We have the beaver. We have phoenix. Definitely a lot of fire energy. We have the sun here, we have fire here, we have sun here again. Definitely there is going to be so much going on in your life, my dear Sagittarians, in the month of June. Okay, so we will look out for more guidance that we have. There is something that you are rising from, or maybe this is something related to you being feeling somewhere stuck in the present. Maybe you were not sure whether which way to choose. Okay, this can be something related to you stuck on a decision where you feel like if you should take a chance over your past situation to have a future with it, something like that, if it resonates someone for somebody of you. Okay, so what is the guidance for my dear Sagittarians in the month of June? I think this is coming out. This one, this one, this one as well. This one. Okay, so we have Three of Pentacles in the background of Three of Cups. You are celebrating your finances this month. A rise in finance is definitely on the cards. We have Queen of Cups. Okay, this is the Strength lady from the. This is the woman from the Strength card, and we have the Lion sitting at the back. Maybe you are waiting for something to happen, my dear Sagittarians. It can be for some of you in the field of love as well. Maybe you are waiting from some past person. You're waiting on some past person to be in your future, or to have a future with. Or maybe you are stuck with something that you should take chance upon, or risk upon, or step upon. Yes, we have the High Priestess. Okay, you feel comfortable in the month of June. Your inner child is coming out, and you are peaceful. You are happy, you are playful, you are feeling good. And also, there is a sense of vulnerability that you are able to show to others. You are carefree in the month of June, my dear Sagittarians. We have the Six of Wands, wow. And I can see there is this justice, the scale here. And it is telling me as if you are trying to maintain balance and walking away from something. We have the Hierophant. Okay, something like as if in the present you are feeling as if there is an empty cup in your hand, but what you cannot see, that you have a cup right uh, right there in front of you, which does have something left in it. Maybe a small ounce of water, but something is there. So a slight chance is there. So if this is something related to you worried upon you losing someone, or maybe you losing a job, or maybe you losing opportunity, so I can say there is still a chance, there is still a sneak that you can have, and things will eventually work out for you. So we will look out for another card. Okay, the devil again. And this person is the one who who used to be sitting here. It is the Hierophant, and it is in the devil. So there is something that you have desired, and you are taking your steps upon it in the month of June. Maybe you are gaining that clarity. You are feeling right now very much in your low phase. Maybe you might be feeling something that is on hold or is on wait for quite a long time, and you just seem to be dreaming as if when will it come or when will it arrive. But I can see in the month of June something major is arising, and it will serve you as a clarity. It will serve you something as a, will make you look forward. We didn't focus on this card much, but it is coming out here now, that here and now, it is coming out now that you will be able to look forward with the clarity that you will be given in the month of June. And the clarity is related to something that you feel in the present, something that you feel is on wait, or something that is prolonged. It's its due date, and is haven't arrived yet, and you are feeling sad about it. Maybe you are quite worried also, that is it even also going to come or not. But what I can see, my dear Sagittarians, for you is that in the month of June, you will be feeling so good. You will be feeling like a child around others, and you will be comfortable. And the clarity will come in as you are already trying to break something. These two persons are in the chain, they are chained, and as if they did something wrong and they were punished. So maybe there was something that you did, and you have taken action upon it, and now you have tried to make it work, and now you will be feeling that by making this change, there is something good that you are experiencing in the month of June. So there is a major clarity that I can sense is coming in, and you coming out of your uh, small bubble that you are in right now, of feeling stuck, and I can see you are rising above the ashes. Okay, beautiful. So last but not the least, we will look into for more guidance. We will look into for a guidance card, that what can my Sagittarians expect in the month of June? What is the guidance for my dear Sagittarians? Thank you. We have ascending the mountain, keep going forward. Definitely. I do see you here looking forward, and you do have certain uh, goal, you have certain ambition, and maybe this is something related to you, to your ambition, which you were feeling is not giving you results, the desired results, because devil again indicates desires. So something that you are desiring is coming right in this month of June for you, and you are guided to keep going forward, ascending the mountains, and um, walking through all the obstacles that you see, because you have a path that leads you to the fulfillment of the wish that you have. So keep going forward, my dear Sagittarians, and the clarity will step in right away. So this is exactly where I see you at your reading. I hope it resonates with you, and if it does, please like, subscribe, and follow my channel. It would be a great help and a gesture of support. So till then, bye bye, and I will see you in your next reading. Bye.